I have in front of me a brand new pair of Apple AirPods. I also have the remains of What's Inside's AirPods that they demolished on their own channel. And I don't know about you guys, but I would much rather analyze what's left of the What's Inside AirPods and give away my brand new set to one of you. So stick around till the end of the video to see how to win. Let's get started. The unfortunate thing about the Apple AirPods is that once they've been taken apart, they can never be put back together again. So I'm glad I don't have to destroy another pair. That would be unnecessary. This is the leftover AirPod that What's Inside did not destroy, and I can see a faint seam around the head of the speaker, and that's where I'll start my attack. While the AirPods might look like a glorified Q-tip in a dental floss container, there's actually some interesting technology inside. Remember that water-resistant screen that covers the ports on the iPhone 7? That same type of screen is found here inside the AirPods. It lets sound and air pass through, but not liquid. It helps the AirPods stay water-resistant. The proximity sensor ribbon did get torn completely in half when I ripped off that outer shell. See what I mean by non-repairable? And now for the good stuff. This is the actual speaker inside the AirPods. The first thing that stands out to me is the clear speaker cone made out of smooth, flexible rubber-like material. Let's compare it to the speaker inside the regular corded headphones that are included inside every new iPhone 7 box. I would recommend against applying pressure with the razor blade in such close proximity to your fingertips, but just remember, I am a professional. The wired earphones are definitely easier to get inside, and I can already see the difference with the speaker cone. Instead of the smooth rubber cone of the AirPods, this has more of a folded plastic feel to it. The textured ripples are noticeably different. The cone material doesn't matter a whole lot though. For a speaker this size, the sound difference between material would be minimal. Both materials are water resistant, unlike a paper or cardboard cone found in some car audio speakers. For a speaker this size, the sound difference between materials would be minimal. Underneath that cone though lies something more important: the magnets. The regular corded Apple headphones have a copper coil diameter of 7 mm, while the coil of the wireless Apple AirPods is 7.5 in diameter. This means that the electromagnet inside the AirPod is slightly larger than the magnet inside the corded headphones. A larger magnet means a more powerful speaker. Obviously the 0.5 mm difference is extremely small, and the average person won't notice any major differences, but it's still interesting to see. The copper coil from the regular iPhone 7 headphones can fit inside the coil from the AirPods. So if you're the type of person that needs every half millimeter you can get, AirPods are probably the headphones for you. Just for kicks and giggles, I'll open up the shaft of the AirPods. This allows the metal charging tip on the bottom to come loose and the inner battery to be exposed. Most everyone I know who owns these AirPods and uses them says good things about them. So whoever wins the brand new set of AirPods is going to be lucky indeed. I'll include a Gleam link in the description of this video where you can enter into the contest. I've included What's Inside social media in the giveaway, since without them this free pair of AirPods wouldn't be possible. The AirPods do work with Android phones as well, so everyone can enter into the giveaway. Hit that thumbs up if you like seeing tech reviewed from the inside, and I'll continue to make videos like this in the future. Thanks a ton for watching. I'll see you around. And if you've made it this far in the video, hit me up with your favorite color in the comments. Lately, my favorite color is red.